With clean energy, a friend of mine had told me about you guys and gave you a call. The salesman came out, talked to me, and we signed a contract. Very good.
On my first interview with Tony, I felt very confident of his capabilities and his intelligence and his cordiality. When they arrived and got involved in the work that we had scheduled with them, everything went like clockwork, and everybody was just extremely competent in what they did. When they had turf here, they were able to take a crew and pick up the old sod and bring it down below, and then they were able to have another crew that came in and graded and put down the wire mesh and put down the sand and compacted it, and then laid the turf and nailed it down, and it was absolutely phenomenal to watch. And we enjoy it so much, and we will for years to come. When they arrived to take it all out, they were very respectful of my wishes in regard to what we did with the overfill and all that. It was just perfect what they did.
Did an excellent job.
Yeah, they did an
Yeah.
excellent job.
They always were
Yes.
courteous and respectful. They took care of everything. They cleaned up everything. There was not one thing left that we needed to do. It was great.
On the solar, I didn't realize what was going on and how upgraded it was until I was able to get up on the roof and actually look at it. And once I did, I was just astounded. What a perfect job they did.
It was
Supreme.
It's
It
great.
was supreme. Supreme would be a good word.
Would be good. They did an excellent job on both the solar and the turf. It's wonderful.